Welcome to M/S Tazul Engineering, where we redefine excellence. We don't just work, we tackle engineering challenges with precision art. We are civil engineering pioneers, trusted suppliers of construction testing equipment. Our molds and tools are 100% precise and durable. We offer slump cones for accurate measurements, high-grade cylinder molds, and long-lasting cube molds for lab quality. Welcome to our advanced workshop, featuring state-of-the-art technology. With our modern 4th Axis CNC machine, we achieve accurate finishing for complex shapes. This technology allows us to create intricate parts impossible with standard machines, ensuring the best results through high-speed drilling and milling. It's the ultimate solution for producing high-quality industrial components. Experience EDM precision with electrical discharge machining. This technology is unmatched for ultra-fine cutting in die and mold making, guaranteeing accuracy at the micrometer level. We specialize in hard metal cutting and die and punch fabrication. We provide the largest surface grinding facility in Chattogram. Our surface grinding machine can achieve a mirror finish and perfect flatness on any metal surface, handling large plates and machine beds with skill. We guarantee 100% flatness accuracy and large processing capacity. Our conventional strength lies in powerful lathe and milling machines for heavy industrial work. We precisely execute threading, gear cutting, boring, or shaft creation. Every job is overseen by experienced technicians to maintain the longevity and performance of your machinery. Why should you rely on us? We offer precision, custom design, experienced oversight, and modern technology. We ensure micro-level accuracy, support your design and fabrication needs, utilize skilled technicians, and apply the latest CNC and EDM technologies. Quality, precision, trust. We are your reliable destination for engineering solutions. Contact us. We are ready to discuss your projects. Reach us at 01775864678 or visit M/S Tazul Engineering Workshop and Supply in Chattogram, Bangladesh.